Good morning mga boss. So today we have the brand new Toyota Tamaraw Hilux at our shop today for a complete audio upgrade. So today, first let's check out the car actually. So this is the beautiful Toyota Tamaraw 2025 model. This is the back. As you can see, it's designed for utility, it's designed for rough roads. Check it out guys. So our customers already modified a lot of things in the car exterior wise. Is put on nice BF Goodrich tires, put in some flat racks, crossbars with LEDs in the front as well. See, he's got aux LEDs, steady aux lights. So he's already upgraded a lot of exterior, and now we're gonna do the interior of this car. We've already started the work, but let me still show you the inside. Check out the interior. Sobrang pogi mga boss. Wow. Basic but sobrang pogi. So this comes with a, I believe, Hilux engine, and even the chassis is Hilux. Pretty similar to the Hilux base model, but with a sexier look and to revive the Toyota Tamaraw, the legend of the Philippines. So what we're upgrading is the car audio of this. We're putting in new speakers on the door panels. We're gonna be making holes on this side panels. We're gonna be putting 6.5-inch JBL separates GTO series, and then we're also gonna be putting a subwoofer on this under seat, and then we're gonna amplify the speakers with this beautiful Infinity Primus Nano. It's a very small, cute amplifier. We'll be putting this as well to amplify the speakers that we'll be upgrading on this. So yeah, stay tuned. Let us show you the installation and the work in progress. And I hope our client is satisfied and enjoys the music after this upgrade. Because it's such a fun toy to play around with, our customer decided to upgrade the sounds na rin, right? So yeah, if you guys want to get your audio upgraded for your Tamaraw or any car, please follow us, like our page, visit our shop, Evangelista Street, Bangkal, Makati. Thank you so much. So, bukod sa mga audio na kinabit natin, syempre kailangan nating parang enclose yung interior ng car para marinig natin ng maayos yung audio na in-upgrade natin sa car, 'di ba? So what we did for that is nag-sound deadening po tayo sa mga door panels. So let me show you paano yung sound deadening natin. So yes, ito yung mga sound deadening na kinabit natin. Yon, pogi. And then tinitimpla na ni Kuya yung amplifier para maganda yung sounds. Sa ilalim ng upuan yung amplifier, and then on the other side is the under seat subwoofer, the JBL as well. So before and after, sa kabila wala pang sound deadening. So as you can see on the other side, wala pang sound deadening, and this side may sound deadening na. So yan yung difference ng before and after of the sound deadening para mas maganda ang tunog sa loob ng car. Iwas vibrations, iwas yung external noises ng sa labas. So mas ma-appreciate natin yung sounds natin, 'di ba? Mga poging car, poging sounds.